Hey, yo, don't do it. Do not buy another digital marketing course or another social media marketing course in hopes of learning how to make money online. And before you scroll, listen. I'm someone who about 66 days ago decided that I was going to purchase me a digital marketing course to learn how to make money online. And ever since I did that, things have completely changed in my life. I knew nothing about digital marketing or making money online from TikTok until I plugged into this program. And since being plugged into the program, I've met so many people and I've heard so many horror stories of how they purchased these different courses in hopes of making money online. It was a fluke. It's a fluke because algorithms change frequently. If you know anything about social media, if you're purchasing a course that was made 3 months ago or 4 months ago or 2 years ago, that course is going to be based on information for marketing in that moment. What you need an interactive program that's going to show you step by step the most current marketing trends that are allowing people to have results like this every day all across the world. If you're interested in a program that I'm a part of that's teaching me how to go out here and make money online, I've been able to make almost $3,000 within the last 2 months from following this program. It's a simple system, step by step. It's proven. It gives you the instructions on how to set your business up, how to market your business, how to get customers all on autopilot. If you're someone who's sick and tired of robbing Peter to pay Paul, if you're looking for a way to finally quit your job, or if you want to just do like me and live abroad and travel full time, drop me a one. I would absolutely love to give you information on a program that I'm using that's allowed me to have these results. And remember, things in your life will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.